Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to check in Delta Airlines. First of all, open up the delta.com official website. Once you get into its site, click on Round Trip. Or you can choose the check-in option from the top bar. Then you need to select the confirmation number from here. You can select your credit card, ticket, or SkyMiles number options from here. After selecting the following options, click to enter your confirmation number. And then search for it from the airport. Now you need to search here Origin. Then select the airport you want to check in from. After that, click to proceed the process, and then you'll be able to check in Delta Airline. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.